Well, everyday life hands us many things to deal with, and that stress can take a toll on our skin. So how do you put that young-looking glow back? Joining me today from Premier Aesthetics and Laser Center are Dr. Kristen Kenny and Dr. Jody Neff to explain how easy this really is. Ladies, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks for having us.
And tell me a little bit about Premier Aesthetics.
Well, we're a new center, and we offer a whole range of things from laser treatments for the skin, Botox, fillers, makeup, skincare lines.
We do it all.
Yes.
And Kristen, you are telling me that you are seeing more and more people who are coming to you asking for these sorts of services.
Yes, and all ages, because some of the younger clientele are looking for laser hair removal, and then we go on up as women start to age, notice maybe a little bit of wrinkles in the skin, fine lines around the eyes, and we have treatment for all of that.
Well, Jody, I know that one of the reasons it's becoming more popular is because there are many more techniques, and as you were telling me earlier, ways that you can personalize those to every need for people, all the laser technology.
Correct. Yeah, we spend a great deal of time researching the best and latest in laser technology. And whenever we sit down with our patients, we actually do an individualized evaluation, and we come up with a treatment plan, and then we put together a package.
And now we're looking at one of the laser treatments here, and I'm not sure, Kristen or Jody, you can tell me what this is that we're looking at.
This is the micro laser peel, and this is also a very fine-tunable. If you only want one day of downtime, we can do something as mild as what some women used to get as a chemical peel. The nice thing with this laser is I can tell you exactly the depth in the skin that I'm going. So I can do very, very superficial just to give you a radiant glow to your skin, or we can go much deeper. You are going to have a little bit more downtime, maybe 3 days of downtime in the house, but I can get rid of the fine lines around the eyes. I can do a lot more depth to it.
So, Jody, this is what some people used to call the lunchtime peel, the one that is a little lighter, and then you can just go home afterwards and nobody knows the better.
Right. Well, it varies. Some people don't want a lot of downtime, and those people we would do a very superficial laser peel. Some people would rather have a more dramatic result, and we could go much deeper with the peel. Of course, there would be a little more downtime, typically maybe 2 to 4 days.
Well, what about pain? And I know you said, oh, there's really not any pain to this. But I look at that and I go, well, really? What, Kristen?
We do put on an aesthetic mask when you come in, and we have you wear that for maybe 30 minutes. And
a little numbing agent.
A little numbing agent. It's got lidocaine in it, and it's just topical. We've both had this done, so we can say
and you look wonderful.
That,
experience.
Yes, that you notice heat with it, but there was definitely not pain. What we can also do, and again, it's going to depend on the depth. Most of the time women will say, oh, it's a little sensitive in that area, but the funny thing is everyone's different, even where they notice the sensitivities. So, but the numbing mask is really, it takes away almost everything. You can't feel your tongue and your lips at the time, so it definitely takes away anything that would be.
Oh, that's good to know. Okay. Well, Jody, how are you different at Premier Aesthetics and others in Central Ohio?
Well, one of the things that makes us different is because we took so much time in finding the latest in laser technology, we actually purchased a laser from the group Cyton, who they also developed one of the state-of-the-art technology in lasers with the profractional laser, which is a very interesting laser. Basically what it does is it creates microscopic channels throughout the surface of the face, leaving intact skin, and that skin tightens around those microscopic channels and basically tightens up the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And
would you use this on the face then, neck area?
The face, you can use it on the neck as well.
So it's not too late, Kristen, to do this stuff for the holidays?
Not at all.
In fact, it would be probably the perfect time to do
Yes,
that.
and it really does give you just new skin. It gives you a very radiant glow. That's probably the one thing that everyone commented on. We noticed within the week after having it done, people would say, your skin just glows. So it really does give you a holiday glow.
They're not sure what's going on, but they know something's better and different.
That's right.
And that's what you want, right? You don't want people to go, whoa, something's really different.
Right.
And you can combine the treatments as well,
yes,
which is a real benefit to most people. And we can even add Botox and fillers such as Juvederm and Radiesse.
Well, wonderful. Ladies, thank you so much. Kristen, Jody, you're in Lewis Center, and all the information is on our website as well. So thanks for being here.
Thank you.